Hi, I am Alex from Topzir Biotech. When it comes to dental restoration materials, both our ST Plus and ST Zirconia discs stand out for their durability and effectiveness. Here's a comparative analysis to help you make an informed decision. ST Plus Zirconia disc uses 4YPSE zirconia powder, forming a better gradient color multilayer with a consistent strength of 1,000 megapascals and translucency level of 47%. It offers a cost-effective solution without affecting quality. On the other hand, ST Zirconia disc uses 3YTZP zirconia powder and features a strength of 1,200 megapascals and a 43% translucency level, providing a balanced performance across different layers. It has a slightly higher durability, but lower aesthetic performance. ST Plus Zirconia disc reaches its peak sintering temperature at 1,500 degrees, while the ST disc requires a higher temperature of 1,530 degrees. Both ST Plus and ST can be used for multiple dental restorations, including anterior and posterior crowns, bridges, implants, and inlays. ST Plus disc is well suited for cases requiring a blend of strength and aesthetics. Actually, ST Plus is also a great balance for strength and translucency. It's also been used for full arches, but relies on highly professional technicians. Conversely, ST disc has better strength but a little bit lower translucency, making it the first choice for durable dental restorations. In conclusion, whether opting for the ST Plus or ST Zirconia disc, each has its advantages up to different needs. If you prefer to have higher translucency, you can choose ST Plus with better aesthetic. See you next time!